Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. So this is a quick reminder that on October 11th at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, we have the Floral Balls Quick and Easy DIY. I can't wait to see you there, guys. So let's move on to the next one. On October 12th at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, we have the All Things Decor Tabletop open collaboration. The host of that collab is Debbie Bubbles. The guest is Creating with Miss K. The theme is warm and cozy, and that's going to be amazing, guys. I can't wait to see you there. God bless you.